It's a 6 a.m. We are getting ready to depart.
Our boat was delivered from France in March of 2023. We spent 3 months on the mooring at St. Augustine Marina adjusting to our new lifestyle and learning how to sail our boat. We sailed her to Brunswick, Georgia for hurricane season with the help of our friend and spent almost 5 months on the dock. We faced unexpected lightning damage and our first hurricane living aboard. Our 2 major projects, Solar Arch and Watermaker install, got pushed to the very end of our stay at the marina. But we are now prepared for cruising life and ready to set sail. As we were getting ready to leave and revving up our engines, we heard some new unexplained noise in one of the engine bays.
Go through again with that one.
Transmission?
Yeah.
Okay.
Bring it back. Bring it back to neutral. Play with the transmission. See if it comes back.
Okay.
After an hour of troubleshooting, we've determined that it was not the engine itself and it was safe for us to depart. So many pelicans.
Great. We're still before sunrise.
Debatable.
I don't see the sun. You want to debate me on that?
Oh, they're leaving too! They're picking up the anchor. We'll go together.
Now it's a race. It's on.
Race is on. There's a swirl.
Yeah.
Oh, and there's a waves, big waves.
Yeah, you're going to start to get some waves. This is your current. Yep, point us at the red buoy over there. You're oversteering. Bring us back. You're way oversteering. Bring us back. Once we get out, it should settle down. These are nice, steep waves. Bring us back a little bit to the right, to the green. Yep. It's the washing machine. It's not too bad. Almost through.
Exiting harbors is always a challenge, but once we were out, we set for a smooth day sailing.
166 and 70. Okay. You're sailing for reals. 6.5 knots. How's our water maker? Is it making water?
Yeah.
Oh, you're at the 6.
Finally, the wind the air got a little bit warmer. The wind shifted and we are feeling warmer.
Let's bring it in nice.
There's no wind, so we're motoring, motor sailing. No wake.
No way. You know? It's okay, we don't make a wake. We don't qualify.
Huge yachts, marina. Wow,
You can see all these from the satellite. Massive
massive,
yachts
massive
in here, and most of them probably never leave. at 76 feet, you'll get another 10 to 20 feet with your bridle and you'll be good to go. So we're going to set it.
This is gonna be our backyard for maybe a week or so because of the front that is coming, and we'll not be able to cross just yet, but we shall see how long we'll have to stay here.